Did you know? The Chevrolet Corvette is often referred to as America's sports car. A title well-deserved, wouldn't you agree? This iconic vehicle has been turning heads and stealing hearts for over 7 decades now, from its humble beginnings in the early 50s to the high-performance machine we know today. The Corvette's journey is nothing short of mesmerizing. Imagine a time when post-war America was just beginning to flex its muscle. It was 1953 when the first Corvette rolled off the assembly line. This 2-seater sports car, with its fiberglass body and a humble 150 horsepower, was Chevrolet's answer to the European sports cars of the time. It was a bold move, and it paid off. Fast forward to 1963, and we saw the birth of the iconic Corvette Stingray. With its split rear window and sleek design, it was a game-changer. The Stingray was more than just a pretty face, though. Underneath that stunning exterior, it packed a punch with a 360 horsepower fuel-injected V8 engine. The Corvette continued to evolve, and by the mid-70s it had become a symbol of American power and performance. The Corvette C3, launched in 1968, was a testament to this fact. With its aggressive styling and powerful engines, it was a force to be reckoned with on the roads. In the 80s and 90s, the Corvette embraced technology, leading to improved performance and comfort. The launch of the Corvette C4 in 1984 and the C5 in 1997 were significant milestones. These models introduced features like fuel injection, anti-lock brakes and traction control, making the Corvette a true modern sports car. As we entered the new millennium, the Corvette continued to push the boundaries. The C6 model, launched in 2005, boasted a top speed of over 190 miles per hour, and the C7, launched in 2014, introduced the world to the first supercharged Corvette, the Z06. Today, we're in the era of the C8, a mid-engine marvel that's breaking new ground for American sports cars. With technologies like a dual-clutch transmission and a near 500 horsepower engine, the Corvette is redefining what an American sports car can be. To summarize, the Corvette's journey is a testament to American ingenuity and resilience. From its post-war beginnings to the technological powerhouse it is today, the Corvette has always been ahead of the curve. It has continuously pushed the boundaries, delivering power, performance, and style in a way that only a Corvette can. In the end, whether you're a car enthusiast or not, there's no denying the charm and allure of the Chevrolet Corvette. It's a symbol of America's love for speed and power, a love affair that shows no sign of slowing down.